As car guys and girls, we're all familiar with brake parts cleaner. It works well. So well, in fact, that I'm guilty of using it to clean off more than just brake parts. Well, at least I used it often until I came around to using Eastwood Chassis Kleen. Eastwood Chassis Kleen is designed to be used in all areas where you'd commonly reach for a can of brake cleaner. I'm talking about areas like the suspension, the engine bay, clutches, drivetrain components, and of course, this stuff does work great for braking systems as well. Chassis Kleen comes in a large 17-ounce can with a 5-inch long straw to easily reach into those tough-to-get-to spots, and it sprays in a nice strong pattern just like you'd expect it to. And it easily cuts right through any grease, dirt, dust, brake fluid, road grime, or oil. It dries clean, leaves no residue, which is especially important for cleaning brake parts. So this is truly an all-around great multi-purpose degreaser. It's also 50-state compliant, it's a low VOC content product, and on top of that, Chassis Kleen is made right here in the USA, as that little label right there says. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Make sure you check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. And as always, we'll have the Chassis Kleen link below. Thanks for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.